So we've got some exciting news that just kind of came out, and we're really excited to get kind of the first taste of it, the first look at it this week. Tony, you brought some amazing new things to the shop with us. Explain to everybody what's going on.
Well, we're excited at DanAm Company to have formed a marketing partnership with Dynabrade. Dynabrade's a 50-year-old company that makes great tools. They're all made here in the USA, and they were taking a look at doing something different with the representation. And so DanAm's part is we put them in contact with all of our rep agencies across the USA. And so beginning June 18th of this year, all of the DanAm Company representatives that have been representing the SATA products for us for all these years will now be the Dynabrade reps. So we're excited. It's a great opportunity.
So there were some great tools out there that we got a chance to play with over the last couple of days, and we had some guest painters come in as well that everybody knows on social media, playing and using with them. What was the general feedback from the painters after getting a chance to get their hands on the Dynabrade tools?
Well, I think everybody gets excited when they, sanding is so much fun. So, but
it's a critical part to painting, though.
Yeah, I know. So they had a great time. The tools always work. They're, as the SATA guns do, they're consistent and they last a long time. Great pieces of equipment, and I think the feedback yesterday was all good. Everything from the vacuums to the files to the orbital sanders to the buffers, everything works. It's quiet.
Yeah, now the vacuums are really nice. So there's been a lot of talk around the industry lately about contaminant control, and that's going to get more and more important as we try to get a little bit faster going through the collision repair process. And they had two options for contaminant control with the vacuum systems, a smaller vac and a larger vac, and super quiet. So I think the shops we've had testing them and playing with them have really enjoyed that functionality.
Well, we had both their Raptor vac, which is their larger model, and their Mini Raptor. And the Mini Raptor, I think, is going to be the one that, in the automotive refinish side, most people are going to take off with. You can get it in 3 different versions. One with a full-blown cart with a storage container for all the abrasives, places to hang everything with the auto on-off switch. When you hit the trigger, it works. All of that, and they're economically priced. And you can get that thing in a more stripped-down version without the auto on-off, where you just turn the unit on. You can get it without the cart. You can get it however you'd like, and they're in a wide array of price ranges that'll fit anybody's shop. So yeah, we're excited. It looks like it's going to be a real great product. And Dynabrade throughout this year, between now and SEMA, has a whole bunch of new things that are coming. So we're excited to be a part of that.
Yeah, have another thing that looks like your reps are going to be taking in the shop. So right now, I'm already familiar with my SATA rep, and I can start telling the body department and my paint department that they can start contacting your SATA people about the Dynabrade equipment?
Yeah, absolutely. Again, we're all of our representation will be getting training on the products from June 10th to the 13th. We're going up to Clarence, New York, up by Buffalo for all of the training, and so we're excited to get all of our people together and do the training and learn a lot more about it. So exciting new things.
Yeah, well, it sounds like it's going to be a great partnership. Dynabrade out of Buffalo, New York, and our DanAm people out of Minnesota, plus the distributors that market those products across the country. So if you have any questions about Dynabrade tooling or the vacuums or whatever, then find your closest SATA rep. If you don't know who your SATA rep is, well, then you just reach out to us here and we'll get you hooked up. Thanks.